Multitasking. Multitasking is a very useful feature that allows you to switch between apps with ease. You can use multitasking by simply double tapping on the Home button. Here, you can see your most recently used apps. You can swipe right or left to find the app that you want to use. Tap on that app to enter it. Here, we can see how you can use multitasking to quickly switch between apps. This is also the way that you can close your apps. To do this, double tap the Home button to view multitasking and swipe up on the apps that you would like to close. Note, this is a good way to save battery life on your iPad because apps running in the background will use up some power. When you're all finished, tap the Home button to get back to the home screen.